Hey Bryce, hope your semester's going well. I thought I'd make you a quick video. Here's Photoshop, got that open. If you do a file open and you go into your downloads, I downloaded this. I think that's the name of your PSD. So we'll open that up and you can see we have your logo here. So if we just do a simple Command I, oh, that didn't work. That's actually in Command Inverse. It's or invert, as you can see here in the history panel. But let's actually, I can tell that you don't have this in grayscale color mode. So if we make image mode grayscale so that we're only working with blacks and whites and grays, that'll work a little bit better. And then if we do a Command I, that'll inverse it. So the blacks will become white and the whites will become black. We can get a kind of a better look if we make a new layer, make sure we're on our new layer, select all, edit, fill. We're going to fill that with black, that whole layer. Push OK. We're going to put that layer underneath so that we can actually see what this might actually look like. I'll do a Command D to get rid of those dancing ants. So this is somewhat what it would look like on a black sweatshirt, which isn't too bad. We could do Command L just to see. I don't think that this is really making, oh, I'm on the wrong layer. Cancel. Get on the right layer, Command L. Let's see if we can kind of change. That doesn't really do much for the design, does it? So if you push Alt down and we go to the whites, we can see what all of our pure whites are. Probably want to bring those rest of those into pure white. And we can see where our pure blacks are. So that's looking pretty good. If I push OK, we did the levels there, just to kind of bring them out a little bit. So that's basically what it's going to look like on your sweatshirt. And if it's going to be a black sweatshirt, I wonder if you even need any black in this image. You could potentially do a select color range and select the black. Push OK. And then I wonder if you could just delete it all. And then do a Command D. And let's turn this back on. It looks pretty good. Yeah. So let's do a file save as. I'll save it to my desktop and I'll just name it Bryce. Create. Maybe I'll just make this. So this is the working file. It'll have your layer 2 in it. It'll look exactly like this if you opened it up in Photoshop. So I'd save that out. But maybe I'll save a version of the Photoshop file without this extra layer in there. I guess you probably don't need both. So file, save as. I'll just forget about that other file. I'll just send you this .psd, make it a Photoshop file. Save that. Okay. And then I don't know what kind of file formats your printer would accept. So we might do a file save as and save like a PDF. Let's see. I don't always save PDFs out of Photoshop, so there we go. So there's PDF. They might like that file format a little bit better depending on where you're ordering it from. So we'll save that. High quality print is probably a good one to have. That all looks okay. Save. So I think I'll do one more file type just in case. I don't think a JPEG will work because it'll fill everything in white. It won't preserve your transparency, so I don't think a JPEG is going to work for this one. Yeah, so I think that should do it. All right, well, hopefully you're enjoying your semester, and need any other help with anything, just let me know. Okay, bye.